Hello everyone and welcome to another product review. I've decided to extend the product review series as it proved quite popular in the past. This is a product review of the Bosch PSB 1800 Cordless Combi Drill. This is the pack containing both the drill and two batteries and the charger. You can find a handy link on where to buy those in the description underneath this video. So what do you get in the pack? As I said, you get the drill body itself, two spare batteries and the charger. Have a look at the drill itself first. Very ergonomic design, trigger shift, directional changing just there at your thumb and forefinger. Very handy. Along the top here you can switch between your modes, so screw, drill or hammer. And then you can adjust your torque up here. And of course a keyless chuck. And I've used this up to 10mm drill bits with no problem at all. So, directional indicator on the top shows which way we're spinning, in for that, out for that direction. You also have a speed controller up here, so number 1 being the slower, number 2 being the quicker. Down in the bottom then, sorry about the shadow. If I pull the trigger, it gives you an indication of battery health, and also this really handy wee LED here actually shines up exactly where you're drilling your hole, which I think is great, especially if you're in underneath sinks and dark places. It'll really show you where you're drilling. The batteries are quick release. You just push that wee red button and the battery slides off. You get a spare. I really recommend buying the pack with the two batteries in it, because then you can have one on the charge and one on the machine and you're never without. The battery slides on the machine really easily, and now it's not going to be so easy because I'm trying to do it with one hand, but you get the idea. Sorry, trying to do it one-handed. There we go, it's on, dead easy, and then these charge indicators show you where you're at. Sorry, charge indicators here. This is for holding drill bits. It's a while since I've had it on charge because I haven't been doing work on the cars recently. So what have I done with this? I've drilled masonry, I've drilled wood, I've drilled metal. I've had this drill for well over a year now. It's never let me down. It's had quite a lot of abuse. I've even used the bottom of it for tapping in roll plugs. I know you really shouldn't do that with the lithium ion battery, but hey ho, there you go. Slight downsides. It does get quite hot here at the back if you're using the hammer function for any length of time, but it's never caused any problems to me. Just give it a break, because that was way back at the start when I was drilling a lot of concrete walls when we moved into our house. At the time I also got the Bosch drill bit set. I'll also put a link for that in the description underneath. It was a really handy set. Sorry I don't have the box here at the minute. It was a really handy set of different drill bits. I'll just reach over here. Also have this set here, also Bosch, with the maxing driver and all your different Torx bits, Phillips head and normal straight head screwdrivers. As you know, I'm not a professional. This is just stuff I use in the garage. I make these videos just to recommend things on to other people who might be interested. Strongly recommend this product. I've recommended other people who've bought it and they agree it's a great job too. So there you go. That's a quick summary of the Bosch PSB 1800. That's the pack that comes with the two batteries. It comes in a really good sturdy green carry case. I've done away with that now because I never use it. It just stays around home because I'm not a professional. I just use it for home DIY around the cars and so on, but I've used it under the cars as well with the screwdriver sets. So I'll put links to all this in the description below. Hope you find that useful. Please subscribe to the channel. Also like this video, comment underneath any questions I'm happy to ask, and more videos coming along very soon. Thank you.